Hi guys, this is Khushbu from Doctor Behind the Scenes, and today we are going to start a new live series called Med Student Chronicles. We are going to bring so many medicos from around the world. Hi Mitali. So Mitali has already joined.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm so happy to have you here because you are the first person that comes to my mind when I talk about fun conversations and positivity. I'm so
Thank
sorry, my
you so
voice
much.
might be a little dull because I've just got a cold.
Same.
So, how is everything?
Nothing. I have my first professional exam starting from the next week, and I'm death scared.
And don't be so scared.
But it's all
You
right.
got 700 out of 720 in NEET. Come on, girl. You don't need to be afraid of anything.
No, but MBBS is quite different from what we did back when we prepared for NEET and everything. That was objective. Now this
Right.
is subjective, and a lot of intricate learning is involved. So.
Right. I'm so happy to have you with us as a first guest on the new series called Med Student Chronicles. This is going to be a very fun conversation between two medicos. I'm a foreign medical student in Ukraine. I'm in my final year, and please introduce yourself.
I am Mitali Sharma and I am a first year MBBS student and I'm pursuing it from MAMC New Delhi.
Yes, that's awesome. That's something like everyone has dreamt of, and being connected with you and now in our further conversations to know about MAMC, it will be like a awesome thing. So let me start by asking you the most cliched question. Why doctor? क्यों डॉक्टर बनना था?
All right, so I would answer that. Number one, I've been seeing my parents. Both of them are doctors, so I've grown up
हाँ.
seeing them, their lifestyle, and that influenced me a lot. And secondly, I don't like maths.
Damn. Do you know in Ukraine in our first year we had physics. I mean, that was the one, physics and maths was the one thing that I was running from. And
Oh
when I
my
came to
God.
Ukraine, oh God, I know, I tell you.
But that's fine.
So,
Like physics was tolerable, but maths, I was like, I can't do this for the rest of my life. So let's shift.
chalo theek hai. Now you are in your first year. Tell me what is your favorite subject till now? Like, have you studied
Uh,
for the future? I mean,
no, no, no,
second,
no,
third
no,
year? No, no,
no.
no, right?
Utna nahi.
Okay.
Out of the three, I mean, it's difficult to choose because, like, after coming into MBBS, I have got an aversion to studying. I feel like, how did I study when I was preparing? Like, I used to love studying back then, and now, though, it's like, okay, we have to study. That is why I'm studying. So,
Yeah, totally.
out of all of that, I think I am a person who studies anatomy a lot and who likes anatomy as well. But that's the only subject that I fear the most when the next day there is the exam. I mean, I feel like I've studied, but I still don't remember anything. I still don't know anything, and it's just
Oh,
awful.
I swear it happens with me. Like, I had my exam of anatomy in my final exam of my first year, and I was dreading. Like, I taught. So Keshav is another person who handles our
Yeah.
page Instagram, and
Yes.
I taught him like the whole book, and he scored more than me. I mean, I was like, yeah, like I taught him the whole peritoneum and cavity and so many things, and like he got higher marks than me, and I was like, okay, got it. We have got some competition here.
That's so unfair, but
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun, but how is your college life? And I have seen your vlogs, of course, on your YouTube. They are so fun. I've seen your reels, it's really it's so much positivity there, and I love following you. So tell me, how is your life at MAMC?
life here is good, like quite good,
Mm-hmm.
but the only disadvantage that we're facing right now is COVID. So
Right.
most of our first year went at home only. We have
Okay.
stayed for around 5 months in the college for the course of
Mm-hmm.
first year, and out of which 3 months we were giving exams.
Oh, okay.
So we we got very little time to like actually explore
Right.
things and go around the city. But
Uh-huh.
100 points to my college for the location. Like I love the location.
Totally.
Everything is like you get monuments, you get beautiful cafes, you get everything around. So that's
Yeah.
good. And unfortunately, Fest hasn't happened till
Okay.
now. But I guess and I hope that it will be happening when we enter the second year. So looking forward to that.
Definitely. And I'm going to be waiting for your vlog on that and enjoy from
Sure.
here.
Yeah, sure, sure.
And tell me, like, do you live in Delhi or are you
No,
living
no,
at
no.
the
I'm
hostel?
not from Delhi. I am from Uttar Pradesh. So
Oh,
right now
okay, that's
I
nice.
am in my hostel itself. This is my hostel.
Okay, and that's nice. If you have any chance to, give a sneak peek, we would love that of the
Uh, the room is
hostel.
utterly messy. I would not like to do that, which is
No
why I
problem.
found this small corner where nothing is visible to sit here because it's
I
very messy.
know, I know. That's okay. And like, what's that one crazy thing that has happened in your hostel life till now? One
Uh,
thing that's crazy.
I don't know about crazy, but okay. I know I have had this incident once.
Okay.
So it happened back in the month of March. It was utterly hot. Right now it's utterly cold, but that
Yeah.
time, like, good summer had been there, and I was like just going to sleep. So I live in a triple occupancy room.
Okay.
So three of us, like it was bedtime, so three of us wanted to sleep, and next day we had our exam. We had
Right.
some stage exam or something. So we were going to sleep, but we were feeling very hot, so we thought, okay, let's turn on the cooler. And
Uh-huh.
air conditioners are not allowed in our rooms here in the
Okay.
hostel. So we wanted to turn on the cooler. For that, we had to fill water in it.
Uh-huh.
And that was a full hustle and bustle because the common washroom is very far off. So what
Mm-hmm.
we did was we connected two pipes from the
Okay.
cooler to the bathroom, and then we connected this whole thing.
Right.
And two of my roommates, they went to the bathroom and they were like doing all of this connection, and I was standing here and I was looking at the
Huh.
cooler to see ki pani aaya ki nahi aaya.
Yeah.
And and I was looking at it for 5 minutes and nothing was happening. So I was like, probably they're doing something. And I came to my bed and sat, and I just like started using my phone and everything. And then and then suddenly one of my roommates come, and she tells me, you know what? ये लोग कल हमें ना hostel से निकालने वाले हैं. I'm like, what happened? So she took me out. The whole corridor was filled
Oh
with water.
God.
Both the pipes, they had like collapsed.
Ah,
एक पाइप
disconnected.
बीच
Huh.
में से फट गया था, and
Oh
I
shit.
mean the whole this corridor, it was filled with water. Then three of us, we picked up wipers and then we wiped the whole corridor till the bathroom, and it was awful. We were discussing, tomorrow we have our exam and what the hell are we doing?
Oh damn. I mean, that's so crazy. Of course, I have also lived in the hostel, but nothing crazy like that has happened. A cockroach has walked by
And this
my
happened in
place.
the first month of
Oh
being in
shit.
college.
Oh shit.
Awful.
Where did you find the pipes, man? I mean, in first
One
month,
pipe
you...
one of my roommates got, who had the
Okay.
cooler, and the other pipe we got it from the other room.
Ah,
And then
true,
this
true.
happened.
So you are in Delhi. I mean, you are in Delhi right now. How are you liking that? I am from Delhi, actually. I live in Delhi.
Oh wow, where are you from in Delhi?
Yeah, South Delhi.
Oh,
So
that's
yes. So
nice.
like, what's your favorite street food? Mine is momos
Uh,
forever.
so I'm from sorry, I couldn't hear that.
Momos. Mine is
Acha,
momos.
momos. All right.
Momos and pani puri.
Ha. Yeah, I was about to say that. I love pani puri, so that, and even I like momos too. And I guess noodles are also something that I can die for. So,
And what's your favorite cafe in Delhi?
I have not been to a lot of cafes, honestly,
Okay.
but I went to Zero Degrees in
Ah,
Connaught.
okay.
I loved
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. Cannot Place, I think every cafe is like super cool over there.
Yeah, yeah. But I love the food there. Like ambience and everything is okay, but food is primary for me. So
Definitely.
yeah.
You know, one of the reasons I thought, I mean, why I wanted to come to Ukraine was the agency. They told me like they have Indian mess, and I was like, cool, I'm in. I'm vegetarian, and it is so difficult. Like I
Same,
don't
same.
experiment with my cuisine. Like I'm very proper.
Yeah.
Chalo. So tell me, okay, I'll give you like two options, and you have to choose. Okay, it's a like a fun game.
All right. All
Okay,
right.
an expensive stetho or a scrub, like a very
A scrub.
customized.
A scrub. I find
Definitely.
scrubs very fascinating.
Okay. Morning bird or a night owl? Which one are you?
A night owl.
Definitely. And what about ambivert, extrovert, or introvert? Let me answer that for you. I think you're extrovert.
Yeah, I guess, especially after beginning content creation,
Yeah.
all my introvertness has gone.
Yeah. How did you come up with the idea of vlogging, like starting a vlog in your first year itself?
Basically, it all began from the pandemic. So I was
Right.
stuck at
Yeah.
home, didn't have anything to do. So I thought, okay, let's begin this. So I began with like random day in my life vlogs and stuff, and then when I came to college, I started the college vlogging and stuff. So that,
That's great. Even we started our YouTube like a year back. I mean, almost a year back, and we first came on Instagram, and then we went on YouTube because I don't know, it just happened. So it's fun. It's fun. YouTube is fun. Tell me what is your idea of a typical. Oh, one second. Before that, study in bed or study at a table? I mean, chair table.
uh, right now, like in these Delhi ki sardi, I am a study bed person. Honestly, like I find it very hard to get up from the bed these days, but otherwise I prefer table chair. But Delhi ki sardi is not comparable.
Bro, where I am, it is minus 21 degrees. Like
I know,
yesterday, it
but
was minus.
I saw your story, or
Yeah,
I got some glimpses of your vlog
yeah,
as
yeah,
well.
yeah, yeah,
Like,
yeah.
oh my God.
It was so cold, so cold. Yeah. So tell me, how does your typical day looks like?
Uh,
Study day, I mean.
yeah. So in college, like on a regular college day, what we have is we have 9 to 1 practical classes, and then we have around 2 hours of break, like lunch
Okay.
break. So we come back, we have lunch, and like maybe we sleep for an hour or so. That is completely up to us. And then we have our online classes, online theory classes from
Right.
3 to 6, or sometimes 4 to 7.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's up to them.
Mm-hmm.
So the day becomes very hectic. The normal college days become
Right.
very hectic. So 3 to 6 we have our off online classes,
Mm-hmm.
theory classes, so that we do. And then after 6, we're literally so tired. Half the times what we do is we go to the cafeteria to like
Yeah.
freshen up, like get some
Mm-hmm.
coffee and stuff. And then we come back and we start our studies, or if we have a plan to like go somewhere, so we
Uh-huh.
go to some random place like CP and stuff for dinner or something.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I have the dinner in the mess and then come back, study a little bit. Whatever time's left, we study and we sleep. We try to sleep by 12. We try our best,
Okay.
but it gets 1 or 2 mostly.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, damn. And when do you get the time to vlog then?
I Most of my vlogs are there for day in my life vlog. So what I do
Right.
is like,
Yes.
whatever I'm doing in the day, I keep my camera or my phone with myself.
Okay.
Whatever I'm doing, I shoot that. I take small shots here and there, and I put them
Yeah.
together into a vlog.
And how are the teachers there, and how are the seniors over there in Moyamunza?
I found like the atmosphere is very nice. Like what I had
Mhm.
actually heard from my parents, like obviously they did their MBBS a long time back,
Yes.
but what I'd heard from them was very harsh, and I found the atmosphere here in Mamsi very chill, very nice. Everyone gives a nice vibe, and like there's
Yeah,
no such
right.
barrier, or no such, you can go up to any senior, ask for help, and they'll be ready to help you. Sometimes they even help even without asking. They come to
That's so
us,
cool.
how you have your exams, how are they going, like are you passing, fail to nahi ho rahe na, and all of that. So they're very supportive and helpful. So yeah, no complaints on that.
Yeah, I mean, the dynamics have changed now in this century, and I feel like seniors are becoming more compassionate towards juniors. There's less nagging, if I may say so, and
Yeah.
it's good, I think. Yeah. So tell me, like, one funny interaction that you have had with a non-medico over a medical thing.
I always have, like, whenever I go back home and meet
Huh.
my medical friends or even my cousins who know that I'm pursuing MBBS, it
Yeah.
happens almost every time. Like, for example, a few days back, like I just returned from home yesterday, so my cousin sister, she came to my mom to ask for
Mm-hmm.
some medicine. She had some issue, I
Right.
don't know. She asked for some medicine, and my mom told that take the medicine from that drawer, and she went away. She had some work to do. Now, till
Right.
the time she went to the drawer, she forgot like the dosage of the medicine, like when exactly has it
Mm.
to be taken. And she took it out and she asked me कि कितनी बार लेनी है दिन में? I'm like, I don't know. She's like, किस बात की डॉक्टर बन रही है तू? I'm like, oh my god, I'm in my first year. Like, these are things you have entered MBBS and you've already become a doctor. This
I
MBBS
swear.
thing is happening for a joke. Like, you are a doctor, ये सब तो बस इसी फालतू में you're doing.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Like, even if I go to my hometown and somebody asks me, like, I just want to run away from there. Like, in my even in my second,
Yeah.
third year, if I'm so my bua is an army doctor in Delhi itself, and she's like, Khushbu, you have to study like every like 24 hours, and you have to give MLE, and like you have to like from my first year I was like, okay, I'll do that, and I just did it my way. I mean, I'm not that kind of a person who can just give in like full 24 hours of the day,
Agreed,
but
agreed.
she definitely is one of the inspirations for me and a lot of people in our family. So, on a serious note, what do you think about foreign medical students?
I do not have a lot of knowledge about how is MBBS
Yes.
abroad, because I have literally had no interactions. Like, this is my first interaction with a foreigner.
Yeah.
I haven't ever like talked, or I haven't even known like how does it look like, how does it seem to be doing
Yeah.
MBBS. So you tell me, how is it?
I feel like that now the bias between Indian medical student and foreign medical student have reduced, and people have opened their mind, because not everyone can get into government college, especially MAMC, and and private college fees have shooted up.
Uh,
So I feel that not giving up on your dreams and just going forward with whatever opportunity you have, either you can take a drop and give again another year if you believe in yourself, or you could just take another route which is not so torturous and still reach your dream. That's what I feel. Like
so
I
do you feel any sort of like homesickness, or
of
you know?
course, you must also feel that. No, you are now in
I
Delhi.
have actually lived in hostel for my 11th and 12th also. So when I
Oh,
first
okay, okay.
went to hostel, that was the time when I felt a bit homesick. But
Yeah,
Delhi was quite chill. Plus,
yeah,
I come
Delhi.
from Agra, which is like three and a half hours away.
Yeah, yeah,
So
definitely.
it's very chill. Like,
Huh.
if I'm feeling homesick today, I can go back home and I can come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I don't really feel like a hostler here. So that is
Ah,
very, and
that's so cool.
that is one important reason that I really wanted to get into a college in Delhi. That bus is there, and that was my sole goal.
Yeah, Delhi has all its charms, I believe.
Yeah. Plus the location and everything that I told you, and plus
Definitely.
it's very close to my place. So
Cool, 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 cool. Even whenever I come to Delhi, I'm definitely going to ping you and we'll meet.
sure, sure, sure,
For
sure.
sure. And we are gonna have this MBBS in Ukraine versus MBBS in Delhi face off.
Sure.
Chalo, let's play a game and then we can wrap this fun chat up. And okay, it's a never have I ever, and you have to like give me a thumbs up if you have, like, just say I have, and if not, I have not. So if I put it on YouTube with a like in a podcast session, people will be able to, hear it without seeing the video.
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
Never have I ever got a back in college.
I am yet to be giving my professional exam, so I got no backs as
Got
yet.
it.
This chance ही नहीं मिला.
Chalo, I have never 6 years. I'm very happy. So MBBS here is for 6 years. So like,
Yeah.
no, not for me.
And hopefully I don't get any backs.
Never have I ever cried for less marks. Like from your school life also. Okay, this is not just MBBS
I
Bala
have.
thing.
I have.
Same, I have. Oh God, I have like fought with the teacher. Ki teacher, why?
No, I have because I was like people knew that she can cry, so people used to like make me cry. So I
Yeah.
used to like go to that one corner and cry. Ki, oh God, I didn't come first this year in class. And now when I think of it, I feel so dumb. I feel so dumb that what was I up to? क्या कर लेती first आके तब? So now
Yeah.
is I realize कि ये सब नहीं करना.
Okay, so never have I ever been a backbencher.
I have.
I have. Okay, never have I ever took a long break from study but posted study content on social media. I guess I have. I have.
I
I
hardly post study content on social media, so whenever that happens, I'm actually at that point.
like my stories would be legit true, but I make my content like few days before actually
Yeah.
posting it, so it's easier for
Hmm.
me to do that.
Agree.
Okay. Never have I ever ragged my juniors like in school or
I haven't juniors as yet. Oh my.
yeah. I have these questions already framed up, and but that's good, yeah.
I
That's
swear,
what
I remember this one incident where we were like in our anatomy class or something. It was a practical class, and we were like 6 or 7 of the students. We were standing and
Huh.
we were looking at a specimen, and one teacher was like supervising us,
Okay.
and he was like trying to motivate us. He was trying to tell us कि बेटा पढ़ाई start कर दो because profs आने वाले हैं, and by that time NEET 2021 had also happened. So he told us, you know what, NEET हो चुका है, you know what, इसके बाद क्या होगा. So he was
Yeah.
trying to tell us कि profs आने वाले हैं, पढ़ाई कर लो. And everyone said in unison that yes sir, juniors आने वाले हैं. And I was like, बेटा तुम खुद तो second year में आ जाओ, उसके बाद सारे juniors आएंगे.
सही है, सही बात है. That's good. I think I'm done with my questions. Is there something that you want to add on? I loved our conversation. It was such a nice conversation, giving all the positive vibes.
Same here, same here.
So if you have any questions, we can just put it up and then wrap
No,
this.
the only one question that I had was about like MBBS.
MBBS.
How does it look like?
Right. Yeah.
And whenever you come to Delhi, please come. We'll have a meetup. We'll surely
Definitely, for sure. For sure. Thank you, Mitali, for your time, and I hope that you love this session. And see you
Loved it.
soon.
Yes, for sure.
Chalo. Okay, bye.
Bye. Take care.
You too, bye.